Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe my channel if you like it and smash that like button if you like my videos. And also, please tap the bell icon if you wanna get notifications of new videos. Okay, so today we are gonna unbox this toy figure from Japan. It was a prize from Tita Juliet, and she gave it to my mom, and then she decided to give it to me. Okay, let's start assembling this one. Okay, so here's how it will look like at first. What we're gonna okay, so guys, this is a Castor Nitro case. Chris. You know, it's a girl and it is a character in some kind of Japanese video game. Okay, so this is her stand. Wow, this is pretty, and also
What?
sorry about that. Huh? Wait, where's the head? Oh, here's the head. Okay. Okay, so if you like to see this one, you have to put this one here. This is where you have to put the hair. Okay, next. Then put her high heels. Onto the stand. Then put her head on. Ow. Yep. Her ears are pointy. Be careful of the ears, guys. It's almost as pointy as a panther. Okay, so here, now we are done. It looks like it needs to look a lot like this, and it does. See? When you touch the ears, ow! It's pointy as a cactus. Ow! 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 I pricked myself again. Same with her, like this. Okay, so here are her her high heels. This is the stand of her hair. Long hair. This is her face. She looks like she's ready for a fight. Right, guys? Please comment below if you like this video. And also see you on our next video. Bye!